Hello, buddy.
Look at him.
What are you doing over here? You on the way home, are you?
How he acts like he doesn't know us when like it's out in public. Look at him.
He's like, do know you? We do know you. Hello, Fluffykins.
Oh.
Now he knows us. He's like, oh, these are my people.
They're right.
Hello, Fluffy.
Just wait.
Shall we go home? Yeah, I hope he doesn't do that.
Oh God, I was sat
Come on,
on
Fluffy.
Mum's bed the other day, and like Alfie put his like bum against me, and I said it would be really funny right now if he just freezing him.
Nice scratchy there, is it? Hello. Ooh. Yeah. Nice little boy, aren't we? There you go, buddy. We go. We go out. We going out. Going out for the features. Going out? No? Yeah? Okay. You sit there. It's not nice weather today. Looks like it's gonna rain. But I'm sure you know what you're doing. Hello. That's a. Having some fun there, buddy. Wiggles again, is it? Where are they, Kit Kat? Good boy. I'll see you later, alright, boy? See you in a bit, Furble. You sunbathing there, buddy? Just some nice sun there. Sorry, I'm on the way. Is that nice? Yeah, he's a happy boy, aren't we? Oh, the sun's gone. Do you want out? Is that it? Is that what you want? Ooh, hello, dog. Come on. Good girl. Bye, cat. Have a good day. God, what have you been doing? That nice? Good boy. Yeah, there, buddy. Come over here. Meow. Yeah, is the floor wet? Yeah, is the floor clean? Yeah, there, buddy. You really don't like the wet floor, do you? Oh, there you go. Scratchies for the catty. Hello. Hello, Fluffy. God, what are you doing? Oi, what you doing my bag? Can I have my bag back? Please? Please? Please, might I have my bag back? Is it now your pillow? Is it now your pillow? Whoop. Oh, you want to play, do you? Woo. Is my bag now your pillow? Okay. It's good to see you happy, cat. What are you doing? Are you actually interested in this? I thought you only like chicken. Well, you're interested. A little bit. Well, don't drop it. Oh, well, that is a first seeing you eat beef. Good boy. Proper little loaf there, ain't you? Little loaf, aren't we? Little loaf. So, cat, are you chilling with the rats? Yeah. You want to go in the hammock, don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Good boy. You interested in the rat cage, are you, cat?
That's really wet there.
You interested in the rat cage?
They've got one of them called really runny shits.
Cat's really interested in the cat shit.
Huh?
Cat's really interested in the rat shit. Yeah, you upset that we removed your little chair? Is that why you like that spot now? Yes, a good boy. You get some nice fluffing. What was that? What was that? What was that? Nope. Go on then. It's raining. Oh, I'm so sorry, little boy. You want to go out in the rain? Want to go out in the rain? It's okay, cat. It's okay. You want to go out? Is that it, kitty? You're asking to go out? Okay. Yeah, you want him to go, don't you? Yeah. Oh. Want to go out? Want to go? Want to go out? Is that it? Want to go out? Meow. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Going out? Going out? Going out? The hell are you doing? Cat, what are you doing? You're whacking your tail. Is there something out there you want? Nope.
Your brother's asleep at now.
The cat is like loving his bed.
It's his bed.
He treats every bed like it's his bed.
No one's on it, I'm on it.
My bed. That's what you said.
My bed.
It's funny because he always takes the end of the bed and never in the middle. Like
No,
you
it's in the middle of Leo's bed.
That's because it's his bed.
Yeah, he does sleep up here. He used to sleep up here.
Yeah.
He does. Saw him do it yesterday.
Yeah.
I've never. Think he's enjoying that, Ella.
He looks so happy.
That's what we say, is it? No boop? Okay. Daddy give you boop? Daddy give boop? Yeah. I'll leave you alone now. Sure. Oh, can you not get out? You shouldn't be a little terrorizer then. Shouldn't get into fights and like, and I wouldn't do this to you. Yeah. Sat there on the windowsill, judging me. I see you. Cat's trying to open the window.
Don't say how.
Don't help him. It's for his own good.
If he's looking at me.
He's giving us all a look of like, please let me out. I want to go be an alley cat.
Look, I'm a cute cat.
I want to be an alley cat. Let me go be an alley cat. I'm an alley cat at heart.
Look how cute I am. Let me go out.
Yeah, he was like using his paws to try and open the window a minute ago. Please. 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 He says, and I say no. No alley cat tonight, cat. Yeah. You know why. Got into a fight this morning, didn't you? Didn't you, boy?